Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert an image to a PDF. So let's have a look now. Open your web browser and search for Google Doc. Once you are here, click on the plus button to start a new document. Now go and find the image you want to convert to a PDF. Drag and drop it here. You can change the size of this, make it as smaller or bigger. Once you are done resizing, click on File at the top left corner of your screen. Click on Download, then select PDF document. Click on it, it is going to start downloading. So there you go, you have successfully converted an image to a PDF. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.